Welcome to the presentation on Tips for Initiating Legal Compliance Training Program. For the purpose of this presentation, let us define compliance training. When we talk of compliance training, we are referring to a process of educating employees on the laws and regulations governing an organization, so that employees can adhere to them while on the job. Why is it necessary for organizations to provide compliance training to their employees? Compliance training plays a vital role for organizations, because it ensures that standards are not violated. It also reduces risk factors and non-compliance penalties. Employees need to be trained to have a basic understanding of the rules and procedures governing their company, so that they are clear about their legal compliance obligations while discharging their duty. Just to give an idea, let's look at areas where compliance training is required. Compliance training is essential to ensure code of conduct, information security, record-keeping, trade security, and prevention of workplace harassment. These are just a few examples, and there may be many more based on the organization and industry requirements. It is important the compliance program achieves its objective of having zero regulatory and compliance violations. Here are some tips for initiating effective legal compliance training program in your organization. Focusing on a single objective helps to implement the training program in the right way, and achieve the right results. To do so, one should know what is the specific information participants need, so that they can comply with application status, governmental rules and regulations or company procedures. Clubbing up of the objectives divides the focus and therefore should be avoided. Employees need not be bored with detailed and elaborate information on laws, statutes, etc. Short and simple modules provide participants with an overall awareness of potential tricky situations and the best possible course of action. Just stating the laws, rules and regulations in general can sound somewhat vague, and participants may not readily relate them to their workplace scenario. Make the content relevant to the course by including real-time examples. Training managers should give examples of successful compliance practices, either external or internal, and how it has helped the organization. Real-life examples have high retention power. Learning about rules and procedures is quite boring, and to ensure involvement and generate interest among participants, the program should accommodate role plays, situation analyses or quizzes and games. Nobody has the patience to go through complex and detailed written material. A clear list of do's and don'ts for all likely situations would be an easy reference manual for the employees. At the end of the day, participants should understand the best practices to be followed to reduce risks and liabilities. Conclusion: we all know that prevention is better than cure. Therefore, designing of legal compliance training should be done in such a way that employees are equipped with adequate information that will prevent them from attempting anything illegal, which could put themselves or the company in jeopardy. Thank you.